Hello, today we are going to do practical. I want to show you what you will do if your banking app wants to frustrate you. You've bought something and you want to quickly do a transfer and the app wants to frustrate you. I want to show you what you will do. Practical session. In my last video, I talked about 5 things you can do in order to do what? To outsmart your banking app so that it won't frustrate you at that point where you have bought goods and services and you want to quickly do a transfer and the app is speaking one funny grammar or the other. Now let me show you. Let's dive into the matter, because they say that talk is cheap but action is better. So today let me show you. Just relax, let me show you what you will do. Let's do practical in a jiffy. So let's dive into the matter quickly.
Okay guys, this is what you do. Locate your app. I'm using my app. I'm using First Bank to do this practical. When you locate your app, log on to your app. I'm trying to log on now. It's saying it's trying to synchronize, it's trying to connect. You can see it rolling. It's trying to connect. So let's wait and see how it will connect. Let's wait and see what will come out.
I hope you are watching.
Okay, it's now telling us network request failed. What do? You click OK. Now flip down from your phone to locate your screen notification bar or your shortcut. Then click on airplane mode. Can you see the airplane mode there? Can you see it? Yes, click on airplane mode, you see. And when you do that, it removes the network. It will remove the network. You say lost internet connection. Say okay. Then leave it for some time and come back again, maybe like 1 minute or 30 seconds. Click on that airplane mode to remove it from airplane mode. You see your data will come back, service will come back to your phone or your mobile app. Then try logging on again. This is the same for all the apps. All your mobile bank app is the same process. I'm using First Bank, that's why I'm using this to do this
I hope you are watching.
Practical session. It's trying to connect again. It's trying to connect. It's trying to connect. It's trying to connect. Let's see if it will connect. Let's see if it will connect. Just exercise a little patience. It tells us network request failed. Try that again. You see I swiped down. Try it again. You can do it as many times as possible. If you do it the first time, maybe for like 10 seconds and it didn't work, do it again. Leave it for like 30 seconds or like 1 minute. But I tell you, it must work. It must work. You see I've put it on airplane mode again just to allow it to come back. Then I removed it. I removed it from airplane mode. Let's see if it will connect this time around. Let's see if it will connect. Okay, I'm signing up. I'm logging in again. Let's see what happens.
I hope you are watching.
Let's see what happened. It's going to, wow, I finally logged in. Yes. Don't look at my balance. So there is no money in that account. If you, should I send my account number so that you credit me for this practical session? You see, it has I've been able to log on, and then you can go ahead to do your transaction, and that is how it goes. This strategy has worked. It can work across any of your bank apps. Yes, locally and internationally, you can use it. You can try it. Try it on your mobile phone whenever you have a network. When you are in a network congested area, try it and give me a feedback. Say it on the comment section and then we'll do it. Thank you.
Okay, I hope that information was helpful. Have you tried it? If you have tried it, tell me that you have tried it in my comment section. If it has helped you, please, I want you to comment, say it on the comment section. If you have any further question, maybe you don't understand how your own phone works and what you can do about it, just say it on the comment section. Ask your question, and if this video has been helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, give me one emoji on the give me just one emoji, like this video, share it, so that your brother, your sister, your family members will learn it. Okay, then thank you very much for staying put. Thank you for your time and data. Thank you for watching, and thank you for banking with us. Bye.